Welcome to CNTV News. As part of efforts for self-reliance in defense production and to build a robust military-industrial complex in Nigeria, the federal government has inaugurated the DICON Institute of Technology in Kaduna State. The Minister of State for Defense, Bello Matawale, who was in Kaduna on Wednesday for the inauguration, explained that the institute will provide the technical expertise required to design, develop, and sustain platforms and systems critical to national security.
Of the commissioning of the DICON Institute of Technology, today's mark a significant milestone in our collective journey toward achieving self-reliance in defense productions and building a robust military-industrial complex for our dear nation, Nigeria. This institute is a legacy project conceived with a vision of equipping our nation with the needed technical expertise required to design, develop, and sustain the platform and system that guarantee our national security. For as long as I can remember, we have completely relied on foreign sources for critical defense capability. With its attendant consequences, the establishment of the DICON Institution of Technology is therefore one of the deliberate steps to change that narrative.
In his remarks, the Director General of DICON, Major General Babatunde Alaya, disclosed that the institute was conceived to address critical gaps in innovation, research and development, as well as production.
The DICON Institute of Technology was conceived to address critical gaps in innovation, research and development, as well as production. While DICON has continued to make progress in the production and refurbishment of defense hardware, we recognize that sustainable industrialization will only be achieved by developing indigenous human capital to work behind the machines. This institute will therefore focus on training engineers, technologists, technicians in defense-related disciplines. The institute will serve as a center for research, development, and innovation to directly support the operational needs of the armed forces and other security agencies.
He also explained that the institute will not only build defense equipment, but also the human capacity required to power Nigeria's military-industrial complex.
Is the combination of a vision to build not just equipment, but capacity, a vision to ensure that Nigeria develops the men and women who will power the military-industrial complex and reduce dependence on foreign technologies and expertise.
Abouahid Olayinka Hadubi, CNTV News.
At CNTV News, we circle the news across the globe.